Hi, it's Tom here from Frame Data Services, and we're here today to do another How Fast Does It Shoot video. And today's subject is Minion, give.
No.
Give.
No.
This is my Rapid Strike, and it was in our previous video that I did a while back on upcoming projects. As you can see, it's now back together. I haven't painted it yet. I know I promised a paint job, but I have something new planned for this. And again, relatively new to the NIC, and I'm hoping to get that completed by Christmas, funds permitting. So there will be some more updates on this. Now, the build for this is as follows. It has had its flywheel motors replaced with Barricade motors. It runs on an 8.4 volt 1400 mAh nickel metal hydride battery from an RC pack, and it also has the BSUK switch plate and upgraded micro switches in the trigger system. Other than that, standard mods, full rewire with large gauge wire, and just to tidy up the wiring loom, all the locks removed so that I can operate the blaster however I like. So we're going to put this over the chronograph today. I'm going to shoot 50 standard shots. Minion 2, ammunition please. So we have new elite darts. Now I've used up all my clips because they were a really good deal for a while, and they're now back up to full price, and I'm not paying £10 every time I have to do one of these shoots. So the two clips that we've used previously, and we've had quite a few darts out of those clips, so I'm going to use just these darts, and I'm going to be using my older clips. So these darts will get shot about 1.5 times each, but they're still brand new and in the box, and I'm just going to open those. So they're open, and then I'm going to load, and then we'll put it over the chrono. Right, I'll be shooting this in semi-automatic mode, which you can do with the kit from BSUK, and as you can see, I've got assistance from the minions, and hopefully we'll get one shot each time, and I'll try and keep the rate of fire constant, similar to what I did with the strive test. So I'm not using the click track today, but I'll try and keep it as constant as possible so the data is comparable. Thank you, Minion 2. Last two clips. Thank you, Minion. Okay, let's look at the results for the Nerf Rapidstrike modified on 8.4 volt packs, running Barricade flywheel motors and the BSUK switch cluster. So we have a high of 96, and we have a low of 89. We have an average of 93, extreme spread of 7, and a standard deviation of 1%. Okay, we finished doing the chronograph testing, and I'm now going to go and just shoot this on full auto, because that's the Rapid Strike Sting. It's a full auto blaster, and I'm sure you want to see the rate of fire on this. So I've got a 35 drum, and I've got my lowest grade of dart that I keep at home, which are my kind of third rate darts, and they're probably pretty representative of most people's ordinary ammunition. So I'm going to shoot the 35 drum, and you can see the rate of fire from this, my Rapid Strike build. That's it, empty. So it's not blisteringly fast, it's not up to those blade pusher motor levels, but it's fast enough for me, and it means that I don't have to carry the entire world's supply of darts every time I go out. So generally I'm really pleased with this build. It's worked out really nicely. The velocities are good for inside, and the rate of fire is acceptable. I may do some more tweaks later on, and I'm looking at perhaps moving up one more notch on performance, but that might be for another Rapid Strike altogether. And the next thing for this one is going to be a new exterior finish, so if you look out sometime in the new year, I'll post a full build video.